Our entertaining expert, Limor Suss, is here with some spooky inspiration to get everyone in the mood for Halloween. She even brought her own costume.
She even dressed up for us, which I think is absolutely awesome.
And I love that everything that Limor teaches us is easy. So this is, let's just start with this is a box tomb.
Yes, this is a box tomb. So what I've done here is everyone has, shipping boxes around their house.
Sure.
So instead of buying a costume, I made one. And this is an ice cream sandwich made out of the Amazon Smile boxes.
Yeah.
So basically what you can see is I just took I opened the box on the outside, on the inside, and then on the outside you make them flat like this.
Okay.
And then you put them like one on this side, open one, put it in the center, and then attach them all together, and then just put black craft paper on one side with little holes, and then just white
Would you
craft
attach them with a
paper.
glue gun?
Glue gun, or you can do like glue dots, or you can do whatever, any adhesive, rubber cement.
That would be fun.
You could do the Elmer's adhesive glue. There's so many glue options.
Limor, what I'm going to ask you to do for this segment is to think outside the box.
All right.
For all of us who are going to be hosting some Halloween goodies, and I think, it's so fun for the kids. We do a little Halloween party at our house, but as you know, every year I wait for you to come on because then we just steal all your ideas.
Exactly. So so every year I make your hot dog mummies, and we have those today, but I have some other ideas for you as well. So especially if you're having a pre-trick-or-treat party, you want to make sure that you're getting the kids something hearty to eat.
Yeah.
And so this is actually one of my favorite soups. It's from Idaho, and it's their creamy potato soup. And all you do is you just boil water, pour the mix in, and it's ready in 5 minutes. And then what I've done here is I just took little cauldrons.
Yum.
And I poured the soup in there, and everyone can just grab it and drink it, and it's really nice and hearty, and it really is like a restaurant quality soup. It really is just
so
delicious,
clever.
but takes like no time to make.
So just getting the cauldrons at a craft store, and then that makes it cute. And that's great because they can run around with them.
Exactly. They can even walk around with them as well.
I'll just give this. I know it's a little cold, but I'm just trying to do it.
It's been out for a little while, but it's
Spooky
delicious.
deviled eggs.
Okay, so spooky
that is good.
It's good soup, right?
Really good.
So these are spooky deviled eggs. So what I've done here is to make life easier, I just bought the eggs already pre-boiled, like in a bag.
Oh yeah.
Cut them in half, and then just take out the yolks, mix it up with mayo, salt, and pepper, and then I made spiders out of olives. So you cut them in half. And then you just start slicing them, and then just do 3 legs on one side and 3 legs on the other. But then as I was prepping, I was putting the olives in, and I realized
they're eyeballs.
They look like eyeballs. So you don't even have to make the spiders if you don't want to, and you could just slice the olives in half and put them in there.
I'm thinking that you could just put 1 black olive in the cauldron, and that would look like eyeball soup.
Eyeball soup, exactly.
The next is my favorite of all time.
This I make every year after you taught me to do it, and they go. Like, I never have one left. Everybody, the adults eat them, the kids eat them.
My husband wanted to make sure that I made extra for him last night so that he would have them. So these are mummy hot dogs. You just take the Pillsbury crescent rolls, you make them really thin, and then they actually have crescent sheets now, so you don't even have to, you don't need the whole, you don't need it's not a triangle anymore. So
That
it's actually
fantastic.
much easier to do the strips.
And you cut in strips, and I know you just wrap them
and you
around.
just wrap them around, and it doesn't matter if it gets messy or whatever, because it just looks good when you put them all together.
Leave a little spot, because sometimes you put the mustard eyes
Yeah,
on.
so sometimes I put the mustard eyeballs in. Today I didn't do that, but you can do that, or you can probably just take a little piece of the olives that you're using and just put them as eyeballs as well.
That is so clever. So clever.
So then we have bananas. So basically, what I've done, my little one is obsessed with bananas. So what I've done here is I just slice them in half, put little chocolate chips for eyes.
And that's it.
And that's it. And
You said they don't brown very fast.
They don't brown very fast. I mean, they will brown, so you want to do it probably right before people come over or the kids come over, but they will take, this has been out for probably an hour at this point, and they haven't browned yet. So it will take a little bit of time.
Amazing.
Okay, so now we're going to make spider donuts. So you guys ready? Okay, so I'm going to let you guys come over this way. So basically,
all kids will like these because they come from Entenmann's and Little Bites.
Yes, exactly. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you take white icing and draw a spider web on top of the rich frosted donut. So they have the little ones, but you want to make sure that you're getting the large size one. And basically, to make the spider web, you just make circles, like 3 circles or something, one smaller than the other or one bigger than the other, depending on where you start. And then you just draw lines to make it look like a spider web.
That is so clever. And then you take
These come already piped.
And they come already piped, yeah. So you can just get that right. And I'm going to have you help me
These bags
open those
come
a little
already
bit.
like filled.
Yeah, the piping comes already filled, or they even have ones in squeezy bottles that you can actually microwave to make them a little bit thinner.
We have about a minute. Just want to give you a heads
Great.
up.
So these are the Little Bites chocolate chip mini muffins.
Okay.
They're great. They come in these individual packs, so you don't have to like open the whole thing, and you can actually use these for like lunch bags as well. So what you want to do is once you're done with that, and I already have one done for you, is you're going to put the Little Bites on top of the donut, and you're going to take little pretzels and you're going to cut them. I already have a couple of pre-cut for you, and then just take little googly eyes. And here, this one is already kind of half done, so you can see.
The Little Bite just fits right in there.
And it fits right into the donut hole. Isn't that so cute?
Okay, I want you to see your Boo Mix before we run out of time here.
Okay, great. And then that's it. And then you have a spider donut. Okay, so the Boo Mix, really easy to do. All you do on the bottom is just have popcorn, or you can use kettle corn as well.
Okay.
Put some pretzels. It might get lost here, but I actually used bat and pumpkin pretzels. Then you just put some candy corn in there. You put M&Ms, whatever you want. Mix it all together. And then I put a little bit of the eyeballs just to make it a little spooky.
And serve your drinks in bleakers, which you can get beakers, which you can get at Michael's.
You can get or you can order them on Amazon, wherever if they run out. So they're really easy to do. Really fun.
All right, you're going to find more holiday-themed food and craft ideas on Lee Moore's website. It's LeeMooreLoves.com.